Have you ever wondered what it would be like to travel at the speed of light? Science fiction loves the idea, but reality is far stranger. The universe has a strict speed limit. Nothing with mass can reach the speed of light, 299,792,458 meters per second. This isn't just a technological hurdle, it's a fundamental law of physics laid out by Einstein's theory of special relativity. As you accelerate toward light speed, your mass increases, demanding more and more energy. To actually reach light speed, you'd need infinite energy, an impossible feat. But let's imagine you could break this rule. What would you experience? In our hypothetical ship, as you accelerate, your relationship with space, time, and reality itself would begin to warp. The universe would twist in ways that defy ordinary perception. This journey isn't just about speed, it's about stepping into a new realm of existence. As your ship accelerates, the first bizarre effect is time dilation. Inside, everything feels normal, but compared to Earth, your clock slows down. At 87% light speed, 1 year for you equals 2 on Earth. At 99.5%, 10 years pass on Earth for every year you experience. You're traveling into Earth's future. To observers on Earth, you'd appear to move in slow motion, your ship's light stretched and redshifted. This isn't just theory. GPS satellites and astronauts experience measurable time dilation. Their clocks run slightly slower than those on the ground, and we adjust for it daily. Near light speed travel takes this effect to the extreme. Reality becomes relative. Time itself bends to your velocity. The faster you go, the more you leave the present behind. While your time slows, the universe outside speeds up. At 99.9% light speed, a trip to Alpha Centauri might feel like weeks to you, but over 4 years pass on Earth. Travel to the Milky Way's center, you'd age 20 years, but 50,000 years would pass on Earth. You'd return to a world unrecognizable, everyone you knew long gone. Visually, stars ahead compress and turn blue, those behind stretch and redden. Space contracts in your direction of travel, shrinking vast distances. You could cross the galaxy in a lifetime, but at the cost of leaving your own era behind. You'd witness cosmic events unfold and fast forward, stars born and dying, galaxies colliding. Near light speed travel makes you a time traveler, but only forward. The universe becomes a blur of ages, and you're an observer outside normal time. Now, imagine hitting 100% light speed. According to Einstein, time for you stops, your clock freezes, the journey becomes instantaneous, you leave and arrive at the same moment, no matter the distance. The universe flattens into a two-dimensional plane, all distances shrink to zero. You're everywhere along your path at once, experiencing all of space in a single timeless instant. What would you see? Physics breaks down, past, present, and future merge. You wouldn't travel through space, you'd simply exist at both ends of your journey simultaneously. This is the reality for photons. No passage of time, just creation and destruction as a single event. At light speed, you'd become a being of pure motion, outside the flow of history. It's not just fast, it's transcending space-time itself, but for anything with mass, this state remains forever out of reach. So, can we ever reach light speed? Physics says no. The energy required is infinite. This isn't just a technical barrier, it's a law that holds the universe together. The speed of light ensures cause and effect, keeping reality logical and stable. Without it, the universe would descend into chaos. Even though we can't break this limit, the thought experiment reveals the strange, flexible nature of space-time. Our everyday world is just a tiny corner of what's possible. The dream of light-speed travel reflects our desire to explore and transcend limits. While we may never go that fast, our minds can roam the cosmos at the speed of thought, and that, in its own way, is a journey just as profound.